we're gonna start putting the makeup. So since it's just a small venue, just gonna have a lighter makeup, like a dewy look. Weh. So, like what you said, dreamers, I'm pretty without makeup, but I'm prettiest when I have makeup. And the problem is we don't have mirror, so good thing I bought my little mirror with me. So good luck. So this is like a challenge. That's our performance here in San Diego, and tonight after the show we're gonna go back to LA. Good thing Tito Jerry is driving, so me and Mylene can sleep a little bit, and tomorrow there's another show. I feel like God is already preparing us for our, world tour next year, 2026. Amen. Right or left? I don't know if I'm gonna do the roomy hair tonight, but okay, I will just do it for 3 days until tomorrow. But let's see.
Iba talaga yung may space mask eh. Ako naka-timelapse lang siya, talagang whole makeup niya naka-blonde.
Sino? Ako? Hindi, ni-stop ko yan.
Wala naman nanonood.
Sipain kita. May nanonood. Pa isa-isa.
5 lang. At least mamaya makanood sa kanya. 5 lang, ano pa siya? Parte pa siya.
So dreamers, they're teasing me. They said no one's watching my makeup vlogs, so can you watch this, guys? Choco. No, I manifest that one day I'll have like million views on my videos. So I hope if you're watching this, I want to say thank you for taking the time for watching my transformations. Wow, transformations! So light makeup lang tayo ngayon. Light ba yan? I think the capacity of the audience tonight is like around mga 700. Mga ganun ba yan? So guys, how's your Halloween? Our Halloween? We're working during Halloween. In the Philippines, we usually don't have shows when it's November 1 or something November 2, but here in the US, I feel like it's different. So last night, October 31st, we did the guesting with Cup of Joe, and then today, November 1, we are the guest we are the guest performers for another Filipino act, which is like they are duo comedian, and they're very famous in the Philippines. So And then tomorrow again, back to LA. So, and then I saw some posts, like a lot of posts, that you guys really celebrate like Halloween. You celebrate Halloween like very, very seriously. I mean, you wear costumes and everything, so hopefully next year we will be ready for that. It's our 3rd year here in the US, but oh yeah, we're gonna wear costume on Ate Almira's birthday bash. So watch out for my costume, which is secret. A secret. Actually, me and my sisters talk about it, and it's a secret. No one knows my costume or their costume. It's a surprise. Anyways, in the Philippines, when it's November 1, we usually go to the cemetery to visit our loved ones who passed away. And tama ba tayo, November 1? Ano? Hindi. Bibisita sa ano, diba? Tapos November 2.
Yun yung bibisita sa amin.
2.
All Souls Day. Hanggang mga kapatid. November 1 na kayo. November 1 ngayon. All Saints. Bukas. All Souls.
Oh yeah. November 1 is All Saints Day. And then November 2 is All Souls Day. So November 2 is the time we visit the cemetery to visit our loved ones. So, and pray for them. So that's our culture in the Philippines. So what's yours? I want to know. So comment down below. Okay, I'm becoming a human.
Buti pa kayo may area.
Pwede naman dito, Mi.
Mag-brief kayo. Kaya try kong buksan. Kasi ito ano ka dito kayo. Sabi ko ito ba natin?
Asan sila ngayon? Pwede naman
Dito nakaupo sa gilid.
Ala, dito na sila.
Hindi, na-try ko. Hindi ako magaganon ko.
Ano ba yun? Si Mamu?
Oo.
Diba?
Sino doon yung nagaganon?
Ah,
Hindi.
hindi, yung naka-jacket.
Naka-jacket na makikita pa yan.
Yeah.
Si Mamu, ando doon yan.
Diba? Yun yung may-ari ng ano.
Driver din.
Ay, talaga ba?
Siya na rin ang music ba?
Siya na ba ngayon? Ay, siya na ba yun? Siya na ba yun?
Yung bata kasi kami kumanta kami dun sa library.
Kaya pala sabi ko familiar siya.
Oo.
This is now my
Sabi ko
favorite
nga dito
blush
ako.
on, guys.
Ang taas-taas.
Makikita niyo yung transformation namin.
Pag magbibihis na lang kayo sabihin niyo para.
Mahirap pag babae, nagme-makeup eh, kayo wala na
Hindi
eh.
mo mag-makeup din sila. Kailangan drag queen sila.
Love this blush on, guys. I love this combo, and this is from Giorgio Armani. Look at that. Right or left? Okay, this is the best combo ever. I will never ever change this anymore. I've tried a lot of blush ons, but I think that's the one. It's not really sticky and all, and it's not budging. Wow, English. And then it's no slime. Ay.
Ano, it's not budging.
Ano ba dapat? Budging?
Smart. It's not budging.
Actually, dreamers, I'm kind of sleepy. I haven't slept like
Kasi ikaw yung nag-drive.
enough hours or so, but it's okay. I'll just finish everything and I'll come back, guys.
Di ba bandang ano kayo?
Burbank.
Oo. Alam alam niyo yung Bamboo Bistro.
Apo.
O, nandun siya sa 30, kaya na si Billy Crawford. Meet and greet niya yun.
Pero yung show niya sa
14 sa Granada. Ano, Granada Hills eh. Malapit na sa inyo yun, Granada Hills.
Granada Hills.
Dapat sa Scientology eh. Parang, ewan ko pa tayo, hindi na rin masiluro. Granada Hills, theater na.
Parang di pa natin napuntahan yun.
Dami
Granada.
racket.
Ituloy niyo yung vlog niyo, yung outing out kayo, ano, yung vlog club. Maganda nga yun, tapos uminom talaga kayo, tapos yung isa hindi inom yung isa para malasing yung
Galing
isa.
nga kami, Tito Mars, sa Sonoma. Di ba mga vineyard and wineries, ganyan.
Eh, wala nga yun. Ganda
Pinatest
yung
nga kami ng wine.
margarita, yung mga ganon. Tapos tignan natin yung isa, ano, ayan, lasing na siya.
Tingnan natin sino malalasing. Yun yung pangarap po. Yung
Hindi nga namin alam eh.
feeling ng malasing.
Chusera, ang dali-dali.
Alam mo na si Tito Mars kung ano feeling.
Ano feeling?
Ano ba feeling,
Kilo?
Tito?
Wala, di na.
Feeling ko ngayon.
Ano?
Alas-alas na sila ulit kagabi eh.
Kilo? Okay, moving on to the lips. Oh, bakit?
Yung parang kaunaw mo.
Oo.
Nag-rent sila kagabi. Nakita ko. Naku, hindi ako pwede dyan. For sure, bali ang balakang ko dyan.
Mahirap
Ang tagal
yun,
ng
di
kulay
ba?
ko.
Walang
Ang tagal ng
control.
kulay ng buhok niya. Oo, pinago niya pa yan. Bago na naman.
Bago yan, me.
Oo.
Baka matanggal ko yung buhok eh.
So we're gonna do the hair, guys. I'm done with the makeup. So dreamers, I'm gonna do my roomy hair. I'm gonna show you my roomy hair. This is the extensions. I'm just gonna tie my hair.
Eh, di ko, anong gawa niyo kagabi?
Guess po kami sa Cup of Joe.
Ah, okay. Tapos,
Dreamers, I'm done with my hair and makeup. So let's change. Okay guys, so I'm ready for tonight's show. This is my outfit. I'm your roomie for tonight. So tonight for San Diego, we added some songs. We're gonna sing OPM love songs for our fellow kababayans. So I hope you will like it. And then we're still gonna sing Golden, I Bet You Never, and of course Bang Bang. So guys, we're gonna go to the backstage. It's our turn.